This is huge. Don't you see how huge this is? I see you peeking.
Perfect.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Jamaica Janelle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss an upload. Now today is going to be a very special video because I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Nadine West. Also, I want to give a shout out to all the beautiful women out there watching this video, and I want to just go ahead and encourage all the women because it is Women's Month, March of Women. That's my pin right here. It says March into Women's History Month. So I want to challenge you to encourage a woman that you know that has a business or that you know is wanting to start a business. Encourage her, let her know that she can do it because she can do it. She is strong. And you are strong. If you are starting a business, I want you to know, just go ahead and just do it. Just jump right into it and just go for it. All right, so I don't want to prolong this unboxing. I know you guys are super excited to see what I have. I am actually really excited as well because this is huge. Don't you see how huge this is? The March unboxing for Nadine West. I'm opening this in honor for Women's Month or Women's History Month. I want to know some women who are influential in your life. So if you want to go ahead and comment them down, if it's a YouTuber, comment their name down in the comments there, or anyone, just any woman, any business that you know of that's a woman-owned business, just comment their name down because I definitely want to look into them, maybe support them. And if anyone else sees there's some names down at the bottom, go ahead and check them out and support them as well because we're all women. We're all here. We're all in this together. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing, or actually unbagging, because this is a bag. For those of you guys who do not know what Nadine West is, be sure to go ahead and take a look at the video, a previous video that I posted, and how you can sign up and everything. Don't click now, just wait until this is over. So, the first few items in here. Ooh, this is a cute shirt. Ooh, it's a little sexy. Got the V-neck going. That is really pretty. And it's in a size small. And I love the color because it's not that basic color. It's a mixture between the black and dark red. Ooh, and I have these next pants right here. They kind of look like leggings, but they're really comfortable. They're the kind that are really stretchy. Really good material, something you can work out in and something you can also go out and dress up really nice. I like these. Roll number 2. Ooh, I'm liking the colors here. This nice little sweater. This is really pretty. You guys see this lace? Oh my gosh. This is gonna look so cute on my skin when I try it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nadine West has put some amazing things in my bag. This is so pretty. White and green dress. If you like these so far, just stick around and see how each item looks on. All right, and these are actually some pants you can work out in. Not too fancy. Oh, and you can stick your phone in there. The ultimate sculpting bottom. Those are cute. All these earrings they sent me. Okay, these are so cute. Those are so pretty. Oh, this is cute. This is a little bracelet. That's so pretty. Isn't that so cute? And it fits perfectly because my wrists are so small. Wow, I love that. But wait, there's more. This is so cute. Ooh, look at this. It's a jumpsuit, short sleeve, pant suit. And I absolutely love this color. Oh, this isn't a medium though, so it might not fit me. Another dress. All right, so stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on everything so you can see how it looks. Alright, so the first item that I'm trying on is this really pretty green, like forest green and white dress. Oh my gosh, I love the way it fits. It fits really nice and tight. Just makes my butt pop too. I like the cut around the neck here. It's not that typical V-neck shape. And then you can also pair it with a nice basic necklace. Since this dress it's pretty basic, but you know, it also kind of has a nice fancy flair to it. Very cute. I really like the way this fits. Jump straight into these. And like they're not thin. They're very, very thick material, and they fit really nice and cool. You know, I don't feel hot in them. These feel great. So moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other leggings that they sent. These leggings, ow, I just hit my face. These leggings are slightly thinner, something that you could work out in on a nice hot day. I'm gonna go ahead and try those on. Ooh, I like these. Yeah, they fit nice and tight. Definitely perfect for working out. Deep pockets. Deep pockets for when you are running with your phone. Got you some AirPods. I don't have those yet, but I'll be getting some soon. I like the way they just form to my body, you know. I don't know if these are the squats or if it's just the pants. I'm gonna go with the squats because I've been putting in some work. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, they're nice. And I can move in them. Let's see if I can jog. I like it. Yay! These are so cute. So this is the shirt that I'm trying on. I am loving this shirt. It's very airy. It's not too tight, but this V-neck here definitely makes it more outgoing, out there, more inviting, more open. When you're going out to a nice party, it's just like, come talk to me. Those beads that you can put around your cleavage, around your breast, where you put them like right here. I feel like that'd be so fire with this shirt. This buddy, that boy on, the next one. All right, so look. I see you peeking. I knew this lace was gonna look so cute. Yeah, I love this. It has that real nice form fitting. Oh my goodness, I have so many things to try on. Oh my gosh, bear with me guys, bear with me. This jumpsuit is absolutely amazing. I love, the first thing I wanna point out is the color. This color is beautiful. I love the stripes. They're classy. You can definitely dress up with some heels. There's no pockets, unfortunately. Sad face. Thank you guys so much for watching my unbagging for Nadine West, and thank you to Nadine West for supplying all these great items, all the great jewelry. Are wanting to try Nadine West, I do have a code in the description box or possibly in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I do post unboxings every month. And you also can hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss an upload. The Women's History Month of March. Tag all of the beautiful women out there, all of the hard and successful business owners, successful women business owners, any women, any influential women in your life, please give her some love and praise because she's worth it and you're worth it. All right guys, love you. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video.